May napanood ako niyan dito sa TikTok eh. Parang kino-compare na, etong mga etong mga Gen Z na to, mga ganito, ganyan. Yung parang, pero ang totoo, dapat naman daw, hindi mo siya i-compare. Kasi nga, iba nga yung buhay na generation natin sa generation nila. Walang mas magaling na generation. It's just that, ganun, yun kasi yung meron ng time nila at yun yung meron yung time natin.
Crucial din yung humility. Kasi minsan, just because we had it better in terms of access to information, I mean, I see a lot of that kind of content kasi na gentle parenting, ganyan. I mean, that's all good and everything, but someone has to acknowledge the fact na, yun nga, if tayo yung nandun sa posisyon ng parents natin before, with all of that limitations and also how we were raised by even harsher conditions, harsher parents, tignan ko lang kung gentle parenting ka pa. Kaya nga exactly. So, di ba, parang what every generation can do is just do their best. Pero tama ka for you to compare the generations pa, hindi na constructive yun.